Eli was a young woodworker, passionate about turning wood blocks into beautiful pieces. His small shop was filled with the scent of fresh lumber, the hum of machines, and the gentle glow of task lights, where he spent hours honing his craft. But in his eagerness to create, Eli often overlooked safety protocols, brushing off the reminders from more experienced woodworkers. One chilly afternoon, Eli was working on a new project, a walnut coffee table for his best friend. He was cutting the wood on his table saw, his fingers close to the sharp, spinning blade. Just a quick cut, he thought, no need for gloves or goggles. Suddenly, he felt a faint vibration from the saw. His fingers slipped, and the blade grazed the edge of his glove, nicking his thumb. Eli pulled his hand back, heart racing. It was a close call, and it shook him up. The next day, Eli went to his mentor, Sarah, a seasoned woodworker with a flawless safety record. Sarah had often given him tips, but he hadn't taken them to heart. This time, Eli was ready to listen. "Eli," she said, "woodworking is beautiful, but it demands respect for every tool. Start with these basics. Always wear safety goggles to protect your eyes from flying debris. Use push sticks for small cuts to keep your fingers safe. And never, ever wear loose clothing around machines." Eli nodded, taking mental notes. "What about ear protection?" "Absolutely," she replied. "Loud machines can damage your hearing over time. And dust masks are essential. Breathing in sawdust can harm your lungs. Also, make sure your workspace is organized and clean. Accidents happen more often when tools are scattered around." Eli returned to his shop with a new perspective. He organized his tools, purchased safety goggles and a mask, and marked off safe zones around his machines. As he continued his work, he noticed he felt more confident, no longer cutting corners or rushing his processes. Months later, Eli finished the coffee table. It was his best work yet, not just because of its design, but also because of the care he had put into every part of the process, including his safety. He had learned that respecting his tools and following safety tips wasn't just about avoiding accidents, it was about honoring the craft he loved.